Hey, what's going on everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and just gonna do a quick update of what's going on with the immersion cooling system. Last time I left you, we had the fog hashing immersion cooler all in one. It's called the C1, unpacked and just taking a quick look at it. And I really like the build quality of this, heat exchanger. The welds look all right. I know some welders out there probably do a better job, but they look all right for what it needs to be. Brass fittings, haven't hooked up anything yet because a couple things that we're waiting on. One is the power. I need to convert this, and I want to convert it safely, and I want it to be to a 250, so to one of these ports right here. That's what I'm waiting on to be able to get at least this fan running. And then I already got the cables and everything that I need to connect the container, which has all of its connections in the back here. Let me show you from the other side. This thing is heavy. I'm not going to keep moving it, but you see the two connections for the hoses, and then there's the Ethernet and power ports in the back there, and then we have a front LED and a couple steps that we need to go through. But I mean, everything is ready to go. We just need the there is one more connection, right? Because the Whatsminer M30 has a C19, so we're converting that into what we need instead of the C13 to C14. So obviously I need to be mindful of the power that one cord is going to pull. Otherwise I can just directly connect it to the PDU, but we'll see how it goes. More cautiously is the adapter that came with this that they sent me was a Germany, or I forgot what it's called. I think it's called a Type G connector, and I really don't want to take any chances with that adapter, so we're just going to convert this directly into I believe a C14, and try it from there, because we definitely need 200 volt or higher, not a normal US 110, 120. So that's all we're waiting on. This and one adapter for the conversion from C14 to a C19, but we'll see how it goes. And I could be saying that wrong. I think it's C20 or you guys know what I'm talking about. We need one of these that plug into the Whatsminer M30S. So once I have that up, I'll be able to get this thing up and running. And then the setup process might be a little bit tedious, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna have to move the car out. It's in my way right now. But I'll be able to bring the ASIC in here, and preparing the ASIC for immersion cooling, it's a completely different story, and I'll have to address that in a different video. But that's the update on where we're at right now. We're just waiting on a few adapters and power cables for what we need to adapt the fan / the M30S to the internal C14 connection. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Do me a favor, hit the like button on the way out. Make sure to get subscribed and notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out various links in the description, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.